Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today let me show you how to make Nutella from scratch. Make it at home. Not only it's gonna taste better, you're gonna control all the ingredients that go in. Only a handful of ingredients and so good and so simple to make. Let's get started. I'm gonna start by toasting the hazelnuts, 8 ounces at 350 for 5 to 6 minutes. Remove from the oven and place on a clean dish towel and try to rub off the skins as best as you can. The minute you start smelling the hazelnuts, they're ready. Keep an eye on them, they toast really fast. And the hazelnuts are still warm to the touch. I'm gonna place them in the food processor. You need a food processor for this hazelnut spread. It's not gonna work without. And as simple as that, you let the food processor do all the work. Let it go on and on. You don't want your hazelnuts to be mealy, you want them to be almost liquidy, and that can be achieved by letting the food processor go on for a long time. You can scrape the sides in between, and at the end you're gonna find that the texture is starting to look like this. The hazelnuts are starting to release their oil, and I really find it easier and quicker for this to happen when your hazelnuts are still warm. When you're happy with the texture, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and just a touch of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. You're gonna mix very well, and then add 1/3 of a cup of Dutch processed cocoa and 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar, and I mix. I always want to remind you that I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share, and hit that bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes, and follow me on social media. The links are going to be in the description box below as well. At this point, you have a great hazelnut spread, a great Nutella style spread that is totally vegan, and it's totally awesome and ready to use. Now, if you don't care for it to be vegan, just add 3 ounces of melted milk chocolate and you'll have a creamy and a much richer taste. So you do whatever is best, try it both ways, and let me know what you think in the comments box below. You don't need to refrigerate your Nutella. Place it in a mason jar and keep it whenever you want to use it. And oh, to the wide range of things you can do with Nutella. I hope you give it a try soon, and until next time, bon appétit!